Hello everyone, and today as part of the third episode of installing random OSes, I'm going to be doing Debian. So it's sort of back to the alphabetical order now. And here in the boot menu I have an option for a graphical install and an install. And I think it would be I've installed Debian before, and I think it would be cool to just do the command line install, as it's the most complete command line install I've seen before. Unlike usual, I will not install any desktop environment. So let's go ahead, select English, region, Canada, key map, just normal English. And I'll just name this computer Debian VM. Domain name. I have no clue. You know what, I know what program is, .org. I don't care. Continue. Now I'm installing this on the corrupt Zone OS disk. Now I'm just setting up my username. And password. Let's just use the entire disk. Go over that. All the files in one partition. To finish the partitioning, let's go. So now just going ahead and installing the system, so I will begin a time lapse. Alright, and the installation is complete. Let's go ahead and reboot it. And I'm being warned that my rat bleeding issue. Just a second. Alright, and for that, I successfully installed Debian. All the OSes have installed perfectly with no errors, except for Zorin.